Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do BT21 character inspired nail art and today's character is Koya. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off my manicure by applying this beautiful bright sky blue polish on my nails. For some reason, this sky blue polish is looking turquoise on my screen. I'm certainly not sure how it will look on your screen, but it is a sky blue polish, not a turquoise polish. I'm drawing half circle at the tip of my nail with sky blue polish and then two more half circle at the top for ears. Now I'm adding details to Koya's face by adding purple egg-shaped nose, two tiny black eyes and blush on cheeks. I'm certainly not sure if it's looking like Koya or not. What do you think? Please let me know by commenting down below. On my thumb, I am writing Koya's name. At first, I am writing it with white nail polish in bold, thick line. Then I am writing it with purple nail polish over white polish in thin line. On my ring fingernail, I am applying a purple nail polish and over it, I am drawing a heart with blue polish. Finally, I am finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.